At the beginning of our second year, everything changed. What began as a simple flu outbreak soon spiraled into 2-year quarantine. Schools closed their doors, and classrooms became virtual spaces. We faced new challenges, from navigating online learning to finding the motivation to stay engaged. Yet, through it all, we adapted and persevered, demonstrating resilience and a commitment to our future. Senior high school, as we knew and experienced it, was a different animal altogether. The routines, challenges, and expectations were unlike anything we have encountered before. Senior high school demanded more than just academic excellence. It required resilience in the face of daunting responsibilities and the looming uncertainty of our future. As graduating seniors, we found ourselves immersed in the pressures of impending adulthood, each day presenting battles to conquer. One monumental task that stood out, which I believe everyone can relate to, is research. With drafting manuscripts, grappling with complex ideas, and spending late night hours of revision. Sometimes teary-eyed, no sleep, but we still emerged victorious. As we navigated the challenges of the school year, we quickly realized that each interaction and learning opportunity helped us understand ourselves and find our place in our community. But believe me, all this was never a stroll in a park or reciting the ABCs. It was a journey marked by hurdles and obstacles that tested our resolve at every turn. We faced moments of doubt and uncertainty where the path ahead seems shrouded in darkness. But in those struggles, we unearthed reservoirs of strength we never knew we possessed. Looking back on this transformative experience, we feel pride and gratitude for the resilience that shaped us into who we are today. For many of us, our journey within this school community began in 2019, while others have been a part of it for even longer. As we wander through the familiar halls, memories flood our minds. The thrill of sneaking out of classrooms, for a quick trip to the canteen, the delicious aroma of Kuya Joker's fried chicken, the comforting sounds of the school bell, the adrenaline rush during fire or quick drills, the heartfelt conversations under starlit skies during our camping trip, and the jubilant festivities of Foundation Day. As we hold on to these cherished memories, they fill us with warmth and nostalgia. With this new chapter in our lives, we're on the brink of endless opportunities, urging us to dream big, define norms, and pursue our passions. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to take this opportunity to express our deepest gratitude to our beloved parents, families, friends, and mentors, whose support has been the bedrock of our journey. To the hardworking faculty and staff, headed by Teacher Maki and our school administrator, Teacher Tess. We want to convey our heartfelt gratitude for your tireless commitment to fostering our growth and development. Your fervent commitment to education and steadfast belief in our abilities have propelled us to achieve our goals. To our cherished Mirwoods Academy Incorporated, you have been the beating heart of our educational journey, an embodiment of warmth, growth, and belonging. All of our collective experiences are beautifully encapsulated in our theme, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng Pilipinas. This significant achievement serves as a genuine reminder of our shared resilience in overcoming life's hurdles. Together, we stand not as individuals, but as a community united in our commitment to be the hope for a brighter future. Samuel Ullman wrote, "Youth is not a time of life. It is a state of mind. It is not a matter of rosy cheeks, red lips, and supple knees. It is a matter of the will, quality of the imagination, a vigor of the emotions. It is the freshness of the deep springs of life." To my fellow members of the graduating class, our time here together won't be defined by grades, popularity, or accolades. But with the relationships we've built, and the transformative and enduring contributions towards building a better world. As we move forward, let's strive to leave a lasting legacy that will continue to inspire and flourish for generations to come. Congratulations, class of 2024. May your future be bright, your challenges be few, and your accomplishments be many. Thank you, and once again, good afternoon.